today me and Steven are here in Orlando, Florida, and we're at this amusement park, and we saw this cool machine right here. Hey guys. Yeah, so it's orange juice, so I thought it was really cool, so I wanted to try it. We got a card here, and it makes chilled, tasty, and healthy orange juice. So let's try it. Okay. Okay, we got it now. Pay with cash or credit. We got it working now. It's vending right now. I'm so excited. Are you excited, Steven?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want... Oh, wait. Ooh, that's cool. Wait, does it cut it up in there? So it said there's no sugar, no water, so it's just fresh orange juice. I hope it's good. Ooh! Oh! It's... How does that go so quick? Okay, Stan, grab it. Can you? Oh my god. Look at your face. Grab it out.
It was too much.
Dang it.
Good? Let me try. It's good. Okay guys, this is super good. I'd rate it 1 to 10. I'd give it like a 9 out of 10. I don't know why.
I give it a 9.5.
So guys, this was really good. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, please. Thanks for watching. Bye.